Aisha Davis.
See your last name.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing the Warheads challenge.
I don't know how many you're gonna put in your mouth.
5.
Oh.
Yeah, probably 4. They were too scared to do the Warhead challenge. Last time, she did it behind the camera too. There's 2 people. She had a tongue bleed. Her tongue was bleeding. And I already ate a few and I was just like, these are nothing. So let's get on to the real challenge. I don't know which warhead to try first. So I'm just gonna pick a random one and it's yellow, the worst one. Okay.
Everything
Oh,
was
God.
out of yellow.
In the next video, she's gonna be reviewing the gummy worm challenge. Okay. Here's the warhead. Nice and sugary. Scared.
You
Smile.
have to flip for it at the same time.
You have to suck on it.
Oh, the yellow ones. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is sour. Let's try it.
Nathan, put it back.
Okay. I'm on him.
Thanks.
I'm gonna be putting 2 of these in my mouth at the same time soon. I don't want to flip 4.
Sorry.
Sorry about the pause. I'm gonna do 1 red one. Wait, is there only 1 red one left? Only 1 red one. Oh my god. These things are sour. I'm gonna put 2 of different types. Ace just said. Oh, please subscribe. I got 2 warheads.
That challenge is so old.
I'm scared now. Should I do it, Aisha?
Mm-hmm.
She shook her head if you didn't see. Way too wet.
That tastes good.
Okay.
See? That tastes
3,
good.
2. Hold it with 2 hands, please. 1.
Is it sour?
I'm gonna spit it out. Yeah, I know. I'm scared.
What would you call the flavor? Or W
Good.
O A
Good.
C
2. 3. My jaw is hurting.
Is
Okay.
it water?
One of these. One of
Water
these.
pop?
One of these. Okay.
Water pop?
Right here. Right there.
M-E?
I'm scared now. Can you pause the video? Last one. Hi. God. I'm scared now. Okay, here's 3. 1 is cracked, but I don't really care. My teeth. 3, 2, 1.
$4.50.
Oh, that hit me. It's really sour. I have 3. You failed at the warhead challenge.
Is my tongue bleeding? I'll keep going until I finish the whole thing.
Oh my god, you're crazy.
No, I'm not. Oh my god. Don't try this at home. Oh my god. Get out. Okay, now I'm doing one at a
One at
That-
a time.
Scared to do one more. Yeah.
How about you stop it and I come with my
Okay.
salad thing. One more.
One more and then I'm done. I'm done. I'm about to puke. I'm done. Oh, too sour for me, guys. This one isn't that sour.
You drooling?
I am?
And that is the end of the video. Thanks
Okay,
for watching.
follow me.
Please